Good morning from Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. Sorry I have to start all of our videos this way, but the scammers want to steal our pictures and videos. So this trailer is at Trailer Country LLC, Carrollton, Virginia. This is a 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck with a side ramp and no dressing room. This is a brand new trailer, arrived here at Trailer Country yesterday. Fresh off the lot at Gore. Again, it's a 2022 2-horse straight load gooseneck. It has a side ramp and no dressing room. They've got a full-size escape door, street side. Beautiful diamond-plated running boards. We've got a 225/75 R15 tire on 15-inch wheels. And this trailer has 3,500-pound axles. It's a nice lightweight trailer with no dressing room. If you're not familiar with Gore, they use a steel chassis, aluminum frame, and aluminum skin, and a fiberglass roof. And that fiberglass roof is so cool in the summertime. Today, of course, it's cloudy, but it is 85 degrees here right now, and it is just so much cooler in there when that sun's beating down on this trailer. The walls of the horse area are insulated, so that also adds to the quietness of the trailer and also the coolness in there. So again, a steel chassis on the Gore, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, all the guts inside are aluminum, that fiberglass roof, and then Gore uses a wooden floor in most of their trailers. That is Mr. Gore's preferred flooring there. All LED lights for your running lights. Your load light and interior lights are not LED. We have not evolved there yet. But all of your load lights, your running lights, marker lights, brake lights, backup lights, those are all LED lights. Gore is one of the only trailers that comes standard with a backup light. We don't see that very often. Again, nice diamond-plated running boards. We've got a rear ramp with top curtains. Those top curtains have sliding windows. Nice lightweight ramp. I just did that with my non-dominant hand while doing this video. Didn't strap these top doors back so I could easily pull those around for you. And we've got nice sliding hip windows on both sides of the horse. Again, sliding windows in the rear top curtains over the ramp. Our side ramp also has a top curtain with a sliding window. We've got a sliding window in that full-size escape door. This particular trailer is 6 feet wide and 7'6" tall. Nice side ramp for unloading if you've got something that doesn't love to come out of the back, but you don't have the additional footage to deal with of the dressing room. Got a nice nose here for storage. Got bridle hooks on both sides. A light there in the nose, as well as one here in the horse area. Oh, two in the horse area actually. One in the horse area, one in the headspace, and one in the nose. I love these doors when they're split like this. It just makes it super easy to operate. Keeps all of your whatnots inside of the nose. So you've got some space there for storage, but you don't have to have a full dressing room. We have 5 feet here from this breast bar to this front wall, so you've got plenty of room for your horse. And if you wanted to add some D-rings, you can strap some things up here on this wall. Hay, wheelbarrow buckets, some bags of shavings, whatever you like. Again, this is a 2022 Gore 2-horse gooseneck, side ramp, no dressing room. Extremely well-made trailer. If you're familiar with the Gore trailer, you know they take extreme pride in their product, have a beautiful finish, and there is no one better to work with in the world than Mr. Gore. And combine that with Trailer Country LLC, you get exceptional customer service. 2022 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. It's a brand new trailer, full-size spare mounted there under the nose. Manual jack, your standard 2 5/16 inch gooseneck coupler. And this trailer again is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com. full photo spread, specs, height, width, weight, location on the website trailercountryllc.com. Feel free to give us a call, send us an email or a text. We'd love to talk trailers with you.